Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to lock any apps on your iPhone. To lock apps on iPhone, we will need an app. The name of the app is Shortcuts. If you don't have the app on your iPhone, install it from App Store. Now, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Head to the automation section below. Select New Automation. Here scroll down to find App. Tap on it. Now tap the Choose button to select the apps you want to create the automation. Select any of apps which you want to lock. Then hit Done. Make sure Is Open is selected. Select Run immediately and hit Next. Here tap on New Blank Automation. Now click on the search bar and type Lock Screen. Select Lock Screen option. Hit Done at the top right corner. Now every time you open the selected app, your iPhone will automatically lock. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.